Everyday Carry Trauma Module, or EDC-TM, is a collection of medical supplies designed to treat life-threatening hemorrhage and penetrating chest trauma. The EDC-TM contains curated, compact supplies inside a low-profile, easy-to-carry package. The EDC-TM fits comfortably in a back pocket or glove box and is the most comprehensive medical EDC solution. The EDC-TM is priced better than what you get if you purchase all these items individually. It's a fantastic deal. This isn't a boo-boo first aid kit. This is your next level, comprehensive, purpose-driven trauma kit that's built for real-world emergencies. Compact and portable, the EDC-TM packs everything you need into one small package. In an emergency, when the clock is ticking, you don't have time to second guess your gear. The Chinook medical gear EDC-TM gives you the tools you need all in one place, ready when you need them most. If you're serious about your safety or the safety of those around you, this kit belongs in your everyday carry. Let's get into the contents of the Everyday Carry Trauma Module. First, we'll talk about QuickClot hemostatic dressing. When you're facing a life-threatening wound, you need a way to stop the bleeding fast. QuickClot's hemostatic technology works to accelerate the clotting process, even in heavy bleeding situations. It's used by military, first responders, because it works, and it works quickly. Next up, we have a pair of rolled nitrile gloves. It's a basic item, but BSI, or body substance isolation for my battle and I, is very important. Keep your hands clean, keep people's blood off you. We definitely will be working with blood if we're breaking these supplies out, so we want to make sure that we keep ourselves safe. The EDC-TM also includes a 4-inch flat fold elastic wrap. Extremely versatile tool. It can be used to dress wounds, apply pressure, support sprains. It could even be used as an improvised tourniquet. It's lightweight, easy to use, and it fits right into the compact form factor of the EDC-TM. Next, we have the ETQ Everyday Carry Tourniquet from Snakestaff Systems. This is a 1-inch wide tourniquet with traditional windlass. This is the smallest windlass tourniquet you can find on the market. It does have a QR code with instructions if you're not familiar with how to use it, but you should be. Great tourniquet offering, very compact, very effective. Last but not least, we have the Hyfin Vent Compact Twin Pack. When you're dealing with a penetrating chest wound, every breath counts, and the Hyfin Chest Seal ensures that the wound is sealed properly while allowing air to escape, which is critical for preventing tension pneumothorax. With the twin pack, you get two, one for the entrance, one for the exit. Don't wait for the emergency to happen. It's already too late. Be ready, be prepared, stay prepared. This is Rowdy with Chinook Medical Gear. Stay safe out there.